Hi, this is Trent from Kleen. I'd like to introduce our new rental-ready high-pressure wash system. We designed this unit with the rental industry in mind. We're going to run over some of the features of the machine. First of all, we want to start with the tires down here. These tires are foam-filled tires. One of the problems in the rental industry is when people rent the machines, sometimes the tires go flat. So these are actually a foam-filled tire, so you never have to worry about them going flat. The other thing that we designed on the system is a roll cage frame on the outer edge here. It actually goes all the way around the machine. It has protection all the way around the machine, 360 degrees. With this frame, you can also use it for lifting. So it's welded solid here. So you can actually get 4 guys to lift the machine into the back of the pickup truck if you don't have a forklift. This machine here features a 14 horsepower Kohler gas engine. It's also available with the Honda engine. This machine is 3.5 gallons per minute at 4,000 PSI. It's a 12 volt burner, so it requires no outside power source to run it. It's an electric start engine as well as a pull cord engine. It features a hose reel here. This hose reel comes standard with 50 feet of hose. It'll actually hold up to 150 feet of hose. And of course you get a 36-inch lance and you get your 5 spray tips. We've turned the machine around here, so some of the other features we want to show you are, it comes with a filter system on here. This has a stainless steel screen and this will unscrew. So this will protect the pump from any dirt getting into the system. Also, this unloader valve, this is what adjusts your pressure up and down. This can be set so that they can't overpressurize the system. So if you have a customer that says they're doing a certain application, prior to renting the machine, you can actually adjust that and you can lock it out to whatever pressure you want. If it's something of interest to you, you can actually give us a call. The particular pump that we use on this model is a general pump. We also have an EK pump, which is our own brand pump that's available for this. These are the triplex plunger pumps. The general pump is an Italian-made pump. It's one of the best pumps in North America, or actually the worldwide. We also do one other component on here that some of our competitors don't do. And what it is, on the back side of the pump here, we have what's called a thermal sensor shield. Basically what that does, a lot of times the customers don't really care about the rental unit, so what happens is they may set the gun down and walk away from the machine and the machine is still running in bypass mode. So what happens on this thermal sensor, it will actually release water because the water is only circulating through the head and it builds up heat. So at about 140 degrees Fahrenheit, this thermal sensor will squirt water out. It'll bring cold water back into the pump and cool the pump, and then it'll automatically reset the thermal sensor. So this is a safety feature that protects the rental shops from having their pumps burn out. So that's a very good feature to have on that. We have a chemical injection system here, so you can feed a degreaser or a soap through the system. This one actually has a metering screw, so this here will adjust for how much chemical flow goes through, and you can just increase it or decrease it there. We have your 5 spray tips. Depending on your application, we have a 40 degree, we have a 25, we have a 15, we have a 0, and we have the soap nozzle. The soap nozzle is a larger tip, and when you want to apply chemical, your pressure drops to about 300 PSI and your chemical comes out under low pressure. These are available with our optional high pressure soap injection, and that's an option on all our units. So as you can see, the machine is ready to go. You've got your 4 points for tying your machine down. So we'd like to thank you for watching. And if you're interested in our rental-ready, easy-clean hot water pressure washer, give us a call at 1-800-315-5533 and extension number 1. Thank you.